Day 17, you're going to get a nice victory at the end of this. Job done in the comment section. Get that feeling of accomplishment, accountability, inspire others. Job done in the comment section as soon as we finish. Let's go. We're just building discipline and consistency, showing up day in and day out. It's nothing sexy, not overly exciting. It's just building that mental muscle that I take care of my business. I show up when I need to. Can work in our chair today, like always. And maybe this is just like this right now. Just a nice side body. We're getting a stretch in there. Obviously, also building that beautiful core strength we want. Let's move a bit. Just get your arms going. Little side shuffle. Just these short workouts, building discipline. I think discipline, the greatest part of it, is that it alleviates a lot of stress and anxiety. Because when you become the kind of person who says, I am disciplined, you know that you're always going to take care of your business. So if something needs to get done, boom, you do it, you take care of it right away. Some things can't be done in the moment. Some things just have to be done in a day, in a week, possibly. Okay, so I know I have to do that thing in 6 days. No problem. I know I take care of my business. It'll get done. Stress and anxiety, gone. I love that part of discipline. Because we all know we put things off, we procrastinate, and then we do the thing, we're like, why didn't I just do that 3 days ago? Why didn't I? No, well, if I had to do it, it could be done in the moment, I did it. If not, I know I'm going to take care of it. Stress gone. Let's really reach it out. I like this move too. You got a bit of frustration. Push them away. Goodbye, negative thoughts. Goodbye, toxic energy. And yeah. Short and sweet again today. It's just about getting a little energized in the morning, boosting the mood. We can talk about all the great things movement and exercise can do for us. The one thing I know for sure, every day I move, first thing, my mood is elevated, and so is my energy. If that's all it does for us, happy days. Let's stretch it out a little bit more. Get a big twist in there. Yeah. Keep the arms up nice and high. So we got it all going on here. We're building some strength in the shoulders. Getting a nice stretch in the back. And our hips. Oh, yeah. A couple more. Beautiful. So I'm going to go. You can, if you're not feeling any jumping, this is lovely. Oh, this feels good. We can also pick it up a bit, modify it, maybe do a few like this, maybe a few the other way. It's up to you. Let me know how you're feeling in the comments. Exercises you like to do. Don't forget the job done. I will communicate back with you. It is about celebrating small victories. And the next thing you go do today, oh, there's another job I've completed. Well done to me. Let's enjoy our lives. They're pretty awesome. Yes. Shake it out a bit. Don't forget your evening walk tonight. Last meal. Hope, as soon as you eat, tidy up. Kitchen's spick and span. Let's go for a walk. Let's get outside, fresh air, no matter what the weather, no matter what the temperature. A 10-minute evening walk after the last meal. Boost our metabolism. Move with me. Walking is a superpower. It's so overrated. It's a great form of transportation, number one, but just movement. Maybe that 10 minutes turns into 12 the next night, or 15, whatever. Maybe it's only 3, that's fine. Just get out and move. You can do this in stationary position. Just make sure if you're seated, no problem. You got the little march going. Swing the arms, and then let's start to raise up a knee. Yeah, not bad. Yes. We're getting the heart rate up, getting mobility. We can even, what if we held it? Building some balance. Whew, it's all coming together. Disciplined. How about you go through, that's the only thought now. You've made it this far in this 28-day journey that you're a disciplined person. That's all the thought that's all you say. I am disciplined. I am somebody who takes care of my business. That I am statement is so powerful. Any other thought crosses your mind? Oh, I'm lazy. Nope. I'm disciplined. I am disciplined. That's a pretty empowering thought, empowering place to be. I take care of my business. I take care of myself. I take care of my loved ones. By taking care of ourselves, we are taking care of our loved ones. I love the analogy. When you're in the plane, put your own oxygen mask on first. If you don't take care of yourself, you can't take care of anybody else. It's not selfish. Yeah. Okay. A little balance still. Slow it down. Ooh. And remember, some days the balance is a little better than others. And if we can gradually get a little bit deeper into each movement, well done to us. What if you put all your attention, all your focus into this movement? And slow it down. Ooh. Mind wanders. Stop for a moment. 100% of my focus right here, right now. One more. Everything. All your attention. Hold it for a second. And yeah. It is amazing when we give. Just let's move. Everything. This is why these happiest people in the world, they talk about monks who can sit and just meditate and be. Just attention, focus. We build that up day by day by staying consistent, by being disciplined. Okay, the chair could be useful here if you need to. Just getting the leg up as high as we can. Can use your arms for balance. And if this is just like this, that's fine. Ooh, let's go to the other side. Maybe you find a spot. So we're building great strength, great mobility, and balance all in one move. If you need the chair, maybe you need it for one. Maybe you can take it off. Whoop. If you fall, just keep coming back. Just stay disciplined. one more. Maybe hold it. Let's just hold it for a second. Feel it. Oh, that's, yes. A few punches. Just finish off. It's a great one to start too. You're feeling frustrated, just, no. As quick as you can. Let's finish strong. Come on. I am disciplined. I am disciplined. I am. Yes. Come on. That's amazing. Ooh, that one gets that right up, eh? Well done. Let's just finish. 1 minute. I am that I am is a great meditation. It's saying out to the universe, you're affirming what and who you are, and you can use this at any time. Let's try that today. Just as I was saying that. So pick that thing you aspire to be. I'm just going to go with disciplined. So just sit and be, and in your mind, I am disciplined. I am healthy. I am patient. I am whatever that thing is. And when a negative, self-deprecating thought comes in, nope, that doesn't serve me. And I bring my attention back to, I am disciplined. I am strong. I am enough. I am disciplined. I am disciplined. I am disciplined. Another thought comes into your mind. Nope. I just notice it. That doesn't serve me. I am disciplined. I am health, wealth, and happiness. I am enough. I am. Beautiful. That mantra is so powerful. Use it throughout your day, whatever it is, that thing you desire to be. I am that I am. It's been used for millennia. It is powerful. You are disciplined. You are enough. You are amazing. Well done. And then, job done. Small victories, celebrate it. It does inspire others, keeps us accountable. Come on. Life is good. See you tomorrow. Goodbye.